Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. 2004 Ford F250, one owner truck, XLT Sport, dark shadow gray metallic, paint to match bumpers, black leather interior, 6-liter Powerstroke, 3/4 ton. One of the nicest trucks we've ever put up for sale. We're going to be diving into a cold start walk around today. Going to go over all the good, the bad, the options and everything. Starting out with the most obvious, a Ford Sport XLT package. Came with upgraded carbon fiber door panels, carbon fiber trim, and black leather optional interior. This one is hard loaded as far as the options that came with it for this year. And the miles are pretty dang good. One owner truck. As you can see, we are very cold for this cold start. It's about 30 degrees out. Sorry, 184,892 on the miles. Truck fires right up, no problem. And it is cold. It's been sitting here in this parking spot for the last couple hours in this cold morning out here. So we got a little bit of trace snow on the ground, but let's see. It is an XLT truck, so it doesn't have all the fancy lariat options, but it's got a 6-disc in-dash, cold AC, hot heat, 4-wheel drive, trailer brakes in the cubby there, dual charging station. It has the carbon fiber center console, the black one with the lid. All the original tray is in there. Really nice truck. It even has the digital mirror with your compass on it. These are very unique trucks. You had to special order them. You don't see a lot of these sport packages, but yeah, really nice truck overall. The leather has normal wear and tear in it, but it's not ripped up or shredded by any means. Truck's 100% bone stock. As far as head studs go, the original owner did an EGR Delete at some point. All the other modifications we did over here at 816 Diesel. But one of the cleanest engine bays you'll ever see. No blow-by at all on this truck. No leaks, no issues, no problems. I mean, this is a cherry one-owner truck. Everything you want to see under the hood, good coolant reservoir, no pressure in the system. So a couple things that the sport package has, with the exception of the carbon fiber and the leather. On the outside you got a paint to match grille, a paint to match front bumper. We added paint to match fender flares and paint to match 08 style mirrors. We also did a 3-inch lift kit on the truck and a set of brand new 20x12 Cali Rawkons. It's a -44 offset, 12 wide wheel, and a matte black finish. And we did a set of 35-inch amp all-terrain tires. So super sick setup. The tires have a 40,000 mile tread warranty. They're brand new. The wheels are brand new. The fender flares are brand new with professional paint. The mirrors are brand new with professional paint. They've been cleared. They are the textured style mirrors, but they look nice. You've got your digital entry pad on the door there, and a nice set of the stainless steel running boards. Let me just unlock it and make sure everything else is open on this truck. It's clean. I mean, as far as body-wise goes, it is clean. You got some scuffs in the leather a little bit, nothing terrible though. You got the drop-down armrest, sliding rear window. And we do have a hard tonneau cover on the truck as well. As far as rust goes on this truck, there's none on the cab corners or rockers. It's virtually perfect as far as rust goes on this truck. This bedside has no rust. On the other bedside, there's one little bubble about that big. It's been grinded down, sanded out, and stopped. So 99% rust-free truck. One tiny bubble on the passenger bedside. You're going to see we got smoked out taillights and a smoked out third brake in the rear. And we did have black Harley Davidson headlights up front. I don't know if you noticed that. And we took a bumper off of a 2015 Powerstroke, and when we went to have all our paint work done, we had that painted. There's nothing wrong with the original one. It was in great shape. I just like the updated look of these newer bumpers on the older trucks. The exhaust is stock, but they did put a MagnaFlow tip on it, so it's got a chrome tip, but it's nice and quiet. It's not loud and obnoxious. And as I'm going over this, there's no dents or dings to show you. This truck, it's a 9 out of 10 all the way around. It is straight as an arrow. Little bit of rust on the bed rails, surface rust, little bit of crumble. It ain't terrible, but it ain't perfect, so let me recant my 99% rust-free statement. It's got a little bit. Ford short bed. It's never had a ball in it. It's never had a gooseneck hitch in it. Nice strong shocks on the tonneau. When you're done, you just pull it down. It's got a couple of locks up here, and I do have the keys for them, so you can lock this bad boy up. 816 diesel, so you know where it came from. So that's it, guys. I mean, this truck, it's bad to the bone, and it is nice. It is fully detailed, cleaned up, ready to go, serviced. I mean, it's a beautiful truck. It runs and drives amazing. All we did is some cosmetic modifications to give it a little fancier look, but this truck came in supreme and is going out supreme. So I say it every time, guys, but it ain't gonna be around long. So if you're interested, get your butts over to 816diesel.com right now. Everything you need is on my website. Photos, VIN number, information. Head over there. My cell phone number's on there as well. So if you're interested, call me or text me. 913-735-3748. That's my cell. My name's Cameron. Anytime, day or night, 7 days a week, doesn't matter. Hit me up. You can call us at the shop direct, landline 298-7030. It's kind of hit or miss on that one. We're pretty busy of a shop. We're by appointment only down here in Kansas City. So give me a shout if you got any questions, or if you want to come check it out. I'm happy to answer any questions at all. And like I said, this truck runs awesome. I'm taking it for a spin down the street right now, but it is ready to go, guys. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great warm weekend out there. Thank you.